Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on TCS. Our analyst maintains buy on TCS with a price target of Rs 4200 as the company is well placed to grab cost takeout as well as digital transformation programs along with opportunities arising from vendor consolidation. Robust deal win momentum with average deal wins of 8.9 billion over Q1 of FY23 to Q1 of FY24, further aided by recent large deals from JLR, Nest and BSNL, provides further resilience to revenue growth profile. TCS strong domain expertise, geographical presence, ability to cross-sell makes it well positioned to grab market share during these challenging environments, as reflected from robust deal momentum. The revamp of organizational structure undertaken by the new CEO is expected to elevate concerns and aid in driving growth. We expect 9% sales and to 11.2% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26 earnings. At the current market price, the stock trades at 25.5 times FY25 EPS and 22.8 times FY26 earning EPS. Next on radar is Motocorp. Our analyst maintains buy on Motocorp with a revised price target of Rs 3,629 on healthy recovery in EBITDA margin, strong response to HDX 440, continuous focus on premiumization, expansion of its EV markets and attractive valuation. A healthy uptick in retail sales during Onam and Ganesh festivals build up sales momentum for a 42-day festive period in Q3 of FY24. Post receiving over 25,000 bookings for Harley-Davidson X440, the company is focusing on volume ramp-up. The stock trades at a price-to-equity multiple of 15.3 times its FY25 estimates. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.